Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the loop through a dictionary. Okay, that means every element we will access with the loops. Okay, let's have a look here. You can loop through a dictionary by using for loop. When you looping through a dictionary, the written values are the keys of the dictionary, but there are methods to return the values as well. Okay, here that means what he is saying. Okay, he is saying, see, suppose if you use, okay, if you use for x in profile, okay, for x in profile, print x. Okay, this means this x will return only key values, sorry, this x will return only key names. Okay, this x will return only key names like this. Okay, suppose if you want to print only values, means at that time inside the parenthesis you can use variable name and square braces like this. Okay, variable name and square braces like this. Okay, if you want to print only, okay, if you want to print only key names, at that time you don't want to use variable name. Okay, only x is enough. Suppose if you want to print only values, at that time you can use variable name after square braces, you can use like this. Okay, suppose, okay, suppose here we don't want to use any variable name, we can access. Suppose I want to print only keys, already we have a keys method dot keys. Okay, dot keys, at that time only keys will be printed. Okay, only keys will be printed like this. Suppose if you want to print only values, okay, if you want to print only values, you can keep variable name dot values method. Okay, at that time only values will be printed like this. Okay, only values will be printed. Suppose if you want to print both keys and values, at that time here you have to take two, okay, two variable names like this for x comma y. Okay, in under, okay, here you can use items. Okay, here you can use items under int, you can use x comma y. Okay, x comma y, at this time what happened, both keys and values will be printed like this. Okay, I hope you understand. We can access the inside, we can access the elements by using for loop in this way. Okay, first we can use only keys, then after values, and we have three methods, one is keys, values and items. Okay, I hope you understand friends, you can do practice, you can understand very easily. Okay, thank you so much. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.